Whether you're illustrating schematics for architectural development or coding a robotics workflow just for the fun of it, the latest generation of innovation gadgets offer a range of exciting options. In this video, we are bringing you 5 highly practical and innovative innovation gadgets which will not only inspire the process but deliver a thrilling ride. But before that, if you are a gadget lover and want to stay up to date, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. For those working in a job that requires a lot of jotting down of ideas, note-taking on a laptop may be opted for. However, others may prefer physically writing notes on paper, as for many it aids memory and also provides greater spontaneity. The NUWA pen preserves the enjoyment of writing with a ballpoint pen, while incorporating the benefits of a digital backup for on-the-go organization and study. The aluminum-bodied pen uses regular replaceable D1 format ballpoint ink refills. It's equipped with 3 downward-facing cameras, along with motion and pressure sensors, plus an infrared LED for use in low-light conditions. An integrated ARM Cortex-M4 processor chip utilizes AI-based software to analyze the data from the cameras and sensors, determining what words have been written. That information is transmitted via Bluetooth LA to an app on the user's smartphone. The pen also has 2 GB of onboard memory. When users are looking back over their digitized notes, they can search for certain subjects within them, using keywords to pull out the most pertinent data. For many people, taking notes using a pen and paper will always be easier and more intuitive than typing. The NUWA pen allows them to keep doing so whilst also digitizing what they have written for subsequent sharing and searchability. The PLAYDATE is a handheld game console with a tiny black and white 1-bit display, 400 by 240 pixel resolution, and an ever-growing catalog of inventive and fun games. The library of games encompasses everything from strategy, adventure to roleplay. Games are released in a serial manner across seasons, with 2 games being delivered per week on the same day for 12 weeks. Anyone can make a game for the PLAYDATE and release it at any time, using Pulp Panic's friendly game development platform. A part of what makes the experience of playing games on the PLAYDATE so magical is the crank. There's a crank on the right side of the console that can be satisfyingly pulled out and rotated, giving the user a new way to interact with many of the games. An application called PLAYDATE Mirror is also available on Windows, Mac, or Linux, allowing for PLAYDATE screen to be viewed on a computer. The virtual screen can be made larger, so it's easier to see. Standard controllers can be used to play a game, and the sound can be routed to an assistive audio device. The app also supports the recording of gameplay for streaming. Panic's PLAYDATE has a quirkiness that makes it unique, and a functionality that makes it addictive. The HUMANE AI Pin is a wearable artificial intelligence device which can be interacted with through voice, accompanied by touch and gestures. Instead of asking you to open apps and tap on a keyboard, this little wearable abstracts everything away behind an AI assistant and an operating system HUMANE calls Cosmos. Want to make a phone call, send a text message, calculate a tip, write something down, or learn the population of Copenhagen? Press and hold on the front touchpad and speak the question or commands. AI Pin will action the request and either deliver an audible response or project information onto the user's hand, if necessary. It is also possible to take a photo by double-tapping the touchpad or capture a video by double-tapping and holding. You can create notes and lists, which appear in the HUMANE Center web app that is also where you connect the device to your contacts and review your uploaded photos. Featuring advanced translation and the ability to adjust to default language settings depending on your location, it is ideal for travel. While as a music player, it connects with Tidal Music streaming service, connecting the user to a vast library of high-resolution audio. With sophisticated projection controls, innovative build, and the versatility of Cosmos, the AI Pin delivers a new era. The ORBEA Vibe is a premium e-bike boasting a minimalist, integrated, and sleek design. Positioned for the grab-and-go lifestyle of the city, this clever commuter utilizes ORBEA's urban geometry, enabling safe, dexterous riding whilst also being easily maneuverable in and out of apartments or workplaces. Boasting a straight 10-speed derailleur, full carbon fork, and alloy frame, ORBEA integrates a bright 60-lumen, 180-degree daytime running light into the bike's top headset, which powers up as soon as the bike is turned on. At the rear, another daytime running light is integrated into the seat post. The internal 250 watt-hour battery is built into the down tube, while the charge port is accessible from the bottom bracket. A battery enhancement is also available by providing an extra 208 watt-hours of energy. The bike's control system, iWalk Trio, is a bar-mounted control that sits on the left-hand side of the bar next to the grip for ease of access. From here, the rider can turn the system on and off, control power levels, and observe visual readings of the power reserves through a series of different color LEDs. Color customization of both the frame and fork, plus color options on mudguards and accessories are available. The ORBEA Vibe is a sophisticated, powerful, and life-inspired e-bike that echoes a sense of style without overshadowing. The DEXARM is a robotic arm that runs on open-source software and features interchangeable modules which allow it to function as a 3D printer, a laser engraver and cutter, a pen plotter, and even an AI assistant robot. The DEXARM is precise down to just 50 microns. Its 3D printing module can print using a number of versatile materials, including PLA, TPU, wood, and carbon fiber. Its laser engraving and cutting module lets you engrave, etch, and cut on materials like cardboard, wood, and ceramics. Its pen holder module can draw everything from schematics to custom illustrations. And its soft gripper and air picker modules let you create all sorts of custom tasks. There are a number of accessories available for the DEXARM, enabling more advanced projects. These include a sliding rail kit, a computer vision kit, a safety enclosure, and a conveyor belt. ROTRICS Studio is the software used to design projects and create custom automations for the DEXARM. Alternatively, there is full compatibility with Scratch, the internationally acclaimed MIT-designed coding app, as well as an API for using programming languages like C, C++, Python, Java, JavaScript, and ROS. ROTRICS DEXARM is an intuitive and interactive way to control and bring creative ideas to life. So guys, if you are looking for an innovation gadget, we hope these recommendations have brought you closer to that ideal device. Links to all products can be found in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and thank you so much for watching.